Okay, so if you've had problems with dizziness or vertigo and you're wondering if the Epley Maneuver might be right, today's the video where I'm going to go through and show you how to do it. If you're not sure if it's right for you or not, you need to connect with your healthcare providers to make sure or understand what's going on. If this doesn't wind up helping, you need to connect with your healthcare provider to make sure you get the appropriate care. You can write down below and I may be able to connect you with one that does the work we do and can help you, but we need to make sure we take those steps. If you like videos like this, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. My name's Dr. Gregg and I'm a chiropractor that helps people to remove the blockages in their health to live amazing, fantastic lives. Now, the Epley Maneuver is a very popular maneuver to help stabilize people who are having problems with vertigo. It's been really helpful and many people use it. If you'd like a different maneuver that I find to be just as successful for many of our patients, check out this link to the video that we've done. It really is helpful. It's called the Semicircular Maneuver, but I wanted to be sure to show you this one as well because so many people ask for it, have done it, and some have had success and some haven't. So for the Epley Maneuver, you're going to wind up lying down on your back with your head in slight extension. So I'm going to do it here on our adjusting table with you. So my head is going to be in slight extension. You're going to look to turn your head to the side of your rotation, how you're spinning. And now this is going to cause you to have symptoms, so I'm turning to the left. And you're going to wind up staying here for 30 to 60 seconds or until the symptoms are gone. Once the symptoms are gone, you're going to turn your head to 45 degrees the opposite way. Once again, this will probably bring on symptoms, and you're going to wait 30 to 60 seconds or until your symptoms are gone. From there, you're going to roll to your side on the side that your head is turned to, keeping your head turned and bringing it down. You're going to once again wait 30 to 60 seconds or until the symptoms are gone. Once that's occurred, you're going to bend your knees off of whatever you're lying on, the bed, the couch, or whatnot, and you're going to walk your way up the couch or item with your head continuing to be turned to that 45 degrees until the symptoms are gone. Once you've waited 30 to 40 seconds, you've completed the Epley Maneuver and you should feel a bit more stable and balanced. Now, once again, if you don't, you need to make sure to reach out to your healthcare providers. You can write some comments down below and I may be able to connect you with a corrective chiropractor in your area to find out to see about helping. If you'd like help with a virtual call, we've done that before for many people, to try to find the cause of this problem so you can get back to living the life that you want. If you or someone you know is suffering from vertigo, please make sure to send this video to them so that they can get this and possibly get the help that they need even in their home. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg and I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.